This is Matt from MGMT Boston. On this episode of Lantern, we're in Cambridge today with Yossi Hayut, the Managing Director of Wix Ventures. Yossi, it's awesome to be here. Thanks for having me to your office.
Thank you.
What are you and your team building at Wix?
It's great to be here. And let's start with Wix Ventures. It's the pre-seed seed VC for Wix.com. We're investing in the pre-seed seed stages. We are a strategic investor. We're investing in all the areas where we think that Wix can bring value to the founders, if it's either by serving our users and we can act as a distribution partner, or we can act as a design partner. And we're writing, again, the first checks, and we usually collaborate with top-tier funds. We're not leading rounds, but we're joining a lot of rounds.
Public company with offices all over the world, so a lot of great resources to deploy into startups and the surrounding community.
Right.
Now, what are you excited about as we sit here, getting into 2026? What's going on with you and your team?
Absolutely. So we are launching Foundry by Wix Ventures, which is, I would say, like a mini accelerator, a compressed accelerator for founders. We're launching 4 batches. First batch is going to be in Boston, second one in New York, Tel Aviv, and then San Francisco. The first batch here in Boston is going to be April 12 and 13. It's going to be 2 days, full 2 days here in Boston, where we're going to bring here the head of product, head of design, head of UX, and also someone from our marketing team. And what we're going to do is we're going to work with startups on their product, showing them and teaching them all the frameworks that we use to build products and ship products for 300 million users around the globe. And we're going to work with them very closely on the frameworks that we have, also the AI tools that we're using. The idea behind that is to help them accelerate their product and create a better product. It's like a product sprint. And we're also going to give, of course, credit for Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, Cloudflare, and everything they need in order to build and ship. And we're looking for exceptional founders. We already have mass, I think, influence from a lot of people from Harvard, MIT, undergrad, grad, PhDs. And it's going to be very, very competitive. But I do urge people to apply. We extended the application a little bit. We're looking for the exceptional founders from the Boston ecosystem to join us on that.
It's great. Awesome program. Thank you for holding it in Boston. So if you're an early stage founder or just even someone interested in becoming a founder, apply to this program.
Yeah, we would love that.
Now, the most important question, building Wix Ventures, building Wix the company, what have you learned that you would pass back to other members, other builders in the community that probably is going to be a part of the Foundry program?
First of all, start building. The main thing that is happening now in the world is like, don't keep it to yourself. Start building public, share it with your community, build a community around you, have the first user, put it in the hand of people. I see a lot of people that are building stuff. They have an idea, but they haven't started building. Everyone can build now. Start building and iterate on that. Get feedback, close feedback loop as soon as you can. And I feel it's the same for Foundry. We're just putting it out there. We start getting comments, and I feel like we're getting the excitement around that. And everything is a learning process. Don't try to get the 100%. Try to get as much as you can, and then iterate from there.
That's great advice. No one knows anything. And last but not least, how can we help Wix Ventures and how can we help Wix grow here in Boston and around the world?
I think Boston is the first place that we decided to start because I'm very keen on what is happening in Boston. I went to MIT. I know the great minds that we have here in Boston. I know the curious minds that we have here in Boston and the great stuff that people are building. I do feel that a lot of the time we are missing a little bit of product knowledge, UX knowledge, and also go-to-market knowledge. So I feel like this is something that we want to bring to the table and share it with the Boston community. Everything that we know, everything that we learned from building Wix and put it in the hand of early founders. I'm a fan of Boston and I'm a fan of the Boston talent. So that's the main reason we stayed here.
We love that and we appreciate that. This is Yossi, the Managing Director of Wix Ventures. Matt from MGMT Boston on this episode of Lantern. Yossi, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.